Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making a pot roast in a slow cooker. Very few ingredients. It's going to be simple, easy. The only downside, it's going to take 8 hours. Recipes down in the description box for your convenience, along with miscellaneous cooking items, along with the slow cooker itself. So let's get this started before it gets too late. Here we have a 7-quart slow cooker. I'm going to take this lid off. And we have roughly 3 pounds of beef. Pot roast, chuck, shoulder cut. They're roughly around 1.5 pounds each. They were on sale. Instead of buying a big one, I got a couple small ones, which is fine. Okay, now we want to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. This is condensed. We're just going to add this right on top. Just like so. Now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of water to help thicken this up, because this will be a sauce. And 1 package of dry onion soup. I'm going to try to get that on here. And that's it. We're going to put this on here. This is going to cook for 8 hours on low. And at the 4-hour mark, we're going to add some more stuff to it. Okay, we are at the 4-hour mark. Just look at that. And we're only halfway done. We're going to be adding some potatoes. I have russet potatoes, big chunks I cut up. And we're going to submerge all this in this sauce. Okay, now we're going to add about 5 carrots. We're just going to throw them in there. And we're just going to let this cook down another 4 hours. And we'll be done. Okay, it's been another 4 hours for a total of 8 hours. Let's take a look. Wow. I want to test the potatoes. Oh yeah, that went right through. No effort. Carrots, right through. Okay. Now what I want to do is fish out the meat. Put it on a cutting board. Try to put some of that onion stuff on the bottom. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's take a look at this meat. This is just, oh, look at that. This is, you don't have to cut nothing. Just look at that. Oh, that smells amazing. And what I'll do, I'll chop the rest of this up and mix it in. But for now, we are going to try this. And we'll get some vegetables. And there you have it. Pot roast slow cooker. All right, let's give it a try. This meat is so tender it just falls apart. It just falls apart. Carrots nice and soft. No hot. Perfect. Now, if you noticed, I didn't add no herbs, no salt, no garlic, no nothing. That's what the cream of mushroom soup was for, and the dry onion packet. This is a quick and easy recipe. Dump, pour it in there, turn it on, and walk away. So, until next time, this is the Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.